So really thank you so much for the love you have shown me. Thank you for the subscribers. Thank you for the returning subscriber. I'm so thankful for you guys. I'm a road to 80 subscriber. Please consider to subscribe. Subscribe kabisa. Mpaka road to 1000 subscriber, and appreciate guys. In today's vlog, I want to show you how to cook samosa. A good samosa, potato ones. I know that potato ones are very cheap. I do not like meat potatoes. I know many people will like to cook that, to try that recipe. So that's why guys, I decided to keep it on my channel. So let's do this, guys. My potatoes are still cooking. Just remove excess soup or water. Your potato should be dry. So as you can see guys, our dough is ready. So guys, we are going to cut into small pieces. Our dough is much ready. So let's cut into small pieces. I'm going to cut in 3 pieces, and then I cut like this. I hope you can see guys. I hope you can see the sizes. So I'm going to make a small circle like this, and then I take some oil and put on top. Then spread small flour. Then you do like this. Then you turn. I hope you can see. Make sure the sizes are the same. Like this. Then you roll. Let's continue guys. Small circle. Then I spread some oil. Some small flour. Then like this. I hope you can see. Give it. Then let's roll it. Guys, mnaona venye dafu yangu ina spread vizuri juu ngano yangu haikuwa ngumu, as in my duff when kneading it. Unafaa uspread ikuwe shape kubwa, then tuweke kwa pan. This is how it looks. I'm going to cook for around 10 to 15 seconds. Turn it, guys. Guys, this is how it looks. So I'm going to cut into 4 pieces like this, guys. All of them. I have around 16 of them, those balls. I mean those sheets.